Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Hope so you all are doing very well. So today I am here with a very interesting and prestigious scholarship program that is in Finland. The government of Finland announced the scholarship program for the year of 2022. That is a fully funded program. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel instantly for further upcoming updates. Scholarship program, international exchange program, and internship program. So let's have a look on here. So you are waiting for the Finland scholarship program. So now the wait is over. Apply for the fully funded government of Finland scholarship program 2022. The Finland government scholarship is funded by the government of Finland. The scholarship is open to pursuing their bachelor and master degree program to study in Finland universities. The Finland is in Europe. Finland scholarship are funded by the government of Finland. The joint application to higher education in Finland is now open. Joint application means you can apply for up to 6 program in one application form in joint application, and there's no application fee. Applying is always free in Finland. The Finland government scholarship offers more than 500 English taught bachelor and master degree program in 13 universities and 22 University of Applied Sciences. So you can apply to degree program offered in English. Details about Government of Finland Scholarship Program 2022. The host country is Finland, and one more information that I usually share with you, that is the Finland capital is Helsinki, and the degree level of bachelor and master and not for PhD. The financial coverage is fully funded, and the eligibility criteria are all nationality, whether you are living in any corner of the world, you are living in Africa, you are living in Europe, you are living in Asia, or you are living in Australia, you can apply for this prestigious Finland government scholarship program. And the deadline is 19 January 2022. And the list of academic fields and majors. The Finland has 13 universities and 22 universities of applied sciences. Almost all academic fields are available here. Now it's your time. Apply for this scholarship program. Finnish higher education institution offer over 500 different study programs and have over 20,000 international students studying in several locations around Finland. All universities and universities of applied sciences have Finland scholarship opportunity for international students. The University of Applied Sciences, there are total of 22 universities of applied sciences in Finland. The agriculture, forestry, fisheries and veterinary, arts, business, administration and law, education, engineering, manufacturing and construction, health and welfare, humanities, information and communication technology, services, hospitality, management, logistics, security, sports study, and the social sciences, journalism and information. University. Finland has 13 universities. Finnish university offers study option in 12 different fields. The agriculture, forestry, fisheries and veterinary, arts, business and administration and law, education, engineering, manufacturing and construction, health and welfare, humanities, information and communication technologies, medicine, natural sciences, mathematics, statistics, services in which include military science, support science and social sciences, journalism and information. And the Finland university to study without your IELTS. If you don't have IELTS, then you can study in Finland without your IELTS exam in these universities: LUT University, Lab University of Applied Sciences, Orchid University and HMK, Ham University of Applied Sciences, Hanken University of Economics, Helsinki School of Business and Kojani University of Applied Sciences and Metropolia University. The scholarship coverage. The university offers various percentage of the tuition fee via scholarship or the tuition fee plus monthly stipend. Scholarship fully funded. There is no separate application required for the Finland government scholarship by default. Your application will be considered for scholarship when you apply for admission. It is clearly mentioned that you don't have to submit separate application form for scholarship program. You will be automatically considered for scholarship program. Finland has a centralized admission system. You just have to shortlist the program of various universities and apply online. You do not need to contact professor or anyone else. The scholarship is automatic on getting admission. You may find some program in the exception list, limited funding for particular intake and only tuition fee scholarship, and the department may provide a living allowance. Please do confirm the type of scholarship available offered by the university in general and in your program specifically. The eligibility criteria. For bachelor and for master, you can check from here what is the eligibility criteria, and the deadline is 19 January 2022. So let's have a visit the official website. So guys, this is the official website. The next joint application to higher education that will be open from 5 January to 19 January 2022. So there are very limited time. You must have to upload your application form in these 2 weeks. So don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible. The next joint application to higher education degree program offered in English is organized in the renewed study info in January 2022. The application period is 5 to 19 January 2022 3 p.m. So in this joint application, you can apply up to 6 higher education degree program with one application form. So I'm going to apply. Check out English taught bachelor and master program offered in the Spring joint application. Simply click on it. So I'm searching here mathematics. So master degree program in mathematics. So I'm applying here for master program, that is for 2 years. So qualification title Master of Science and education type is University Education, and the scope of study is 120 ECTC credit hour. Application is ongoing. So click on application ongoing. Mathematics. The tuition fee is £12,000. The scholarship vary from £6,000 to £18,000. Show study program available for application. So click on here. So joint application 1. So I'm going to apply for this autumn program. Fill in application form. So guys, this is the officially application form. How to fill in the application form? This is how you can fill the application form. How to choose the study program? You can select your study program, add study program from here, and how to fill your personal details. So you have to fill your personal information here: your first name, your preferred name, your last name, your nationality, and all the information here: mobile phone number, your country of residence, your address, postal code, your city, and native language. And after that, consent for electronic communication, yes. And after that, these are the simple information: contact language, your education background. You have to select your education background from here. And this is whole application form. And one more thing, please notice that if the degree used as a basis for eligibility is not completed by 29 January 2022, you cannot be selected in the current admission round. So your degree must be completed before 29 July 2022. You have to upload your curriculum vitae here, and your letter of motivation here, your letter of reference here. And guys, this is the whole application form. You have to simply put your information. I'm not putting information because when I put all the information one step by step, the whole video will go on very long. So from avoiding long video, I just have done my task. You are aware how you can apply in Finland University Scholarship Program. After putting all the information, you have to simply review it and submit an application from here. Please guys, share my channel to your friend circle so that they also benefit from prestigious scholarship program, internship program, and exchange program. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Remember me in your prayer. Will meet you in my next upcoming video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.